it goes sweet you to know say we just evaluate the travel of President Bola Tinubu as he be say don't go Saint Lucia and people don't they talk about and say now not be the right time to go Saint Lucia because a lot of things they happen.
And if you notice, anytime President come on the country, he just get some activities when they go on. Now you see what it happen for PDP secretariat for Abuja. Then one whole meeting. Police do blockade. Nigeria city of the opinion. Baba not supposed to travel. They with us for this country.
Peter Obi still they talk. He say in body no sweet at all. For the past 2 years, Nigeria don't lose more people. When they talk about killings, when they talk about criminality, when they talk about robbery, it don't even worse pass people wait for official war. This talk say Nigeria rank among the most insecure places in the world. And right now, Nigerians on the hungrier, and most people don't know where their next food go come from. The person we're supposed to give them moral support,
not the country
travel.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Welcome back to 89.9
Yanga FM Lagos, the station with Sabie. And right about now, we don't enter Toriwe matter proper. Now, again, what you want to talk about R&B? The matter where they for ground, na matter where be say everybody don't they talk about them, and why didn't they talk about them? They talk about them because they feel like saying it is a bit insensitive for some kind movements, according to them. Now, what they talk. Now, for people who don't know, make una know say, as it stands right now, President Tinubu don't reach Saint Lucia already for in vacation. About working, understand? He dey work for this travel where he be say he travel. As at 5:30 p.m. local time on Saturday, now he be saying he arrive for Viewfort Saint Lucia on Saturday, and according to Ram, he make on the first leg of in 2-nation trip to the Caribbean and South America. Now, the cocoa of the matter for this particular travel be say a lot of people don't they talk say this particular travel not be travel wey make sense because of everything wey dey happen inside we country. The presidency based on this matter because plenty people don dey talk about am, and one of the figures wey be say don talk about this particular matter well and wey dey very prominent for all this kind thing na the Labour Party presidential candidate for 2023 wey we dey talk about Peter Obi. As he be saying come and talk say according to Ram, he talk say this waka no be waka wey make sense at all. Now, the presidency on Sunday will be yesterday. They don't come and come, they defend President Bola Tinubu ongoing state visits to Saint Lucia. As he be said, they describe him as landmark diplomatic and cultural mission. According to them, they said this visit now to rekindle Nigeria ancestral and strategic ties with the Caribbean nation and the wider Caribbean community bloc.
So that's to tell you, say, no be vacation as soon as they assume and when they complain.
No be vacation.
Nah, actually work. President want go work
now
from
work,
there.
you want go work from there.
Not tell her.
Because if you tell her, we go no.
Okay, you want those official statements when you go send to national anthem.
Those
no,
official.
that long stay be that one.
No,
this one are just small brief vacation.
No, several times now. Several times President don't travel come out and they work from where in day.
Yeah, because he's a workaholic.
So he's a digital.
Hold on, why you dey shock? Not be all of us dey during campaign towards the 2023 presidential election when they tell you say president like to work for middle of the night. Yeah. Say well that put the sleep in the work.
In their awake.
So how do you not expect him to leave the country? He will not work. He will still work.
Even they go for diplomatic engagement for inside Saint Lucia, where busy after even in come from Saint Lucia, he go enter another country. You don't feel like say the workload now. Why in get
go too much for him?
He go too much, and why in get advice so that he go just tell the vice. Oh, yeah, take
you
care
force
of
and do the work, not be say me local. Say na him work. You know they complain that may do the work now. If you go from there.
All right, me I know they understand where they go.
You not gonna understand how they plan. Nobody don't understand anything for this country again right now. And I plan not to make you
Stop
understand.
passing through the corners. Stop passing through the corners.
No, now.
Anyways,
because me self I'm not really to understand anymore. But then again, more you they confuse ourselves, they go.
Okay, so the question now waiting for people might be say whether they think say now the right time for President Tinubu to travel come up from Nigeria, go Saint Lucia with everything would happen inside the country. You don't even see reports of headsman clashes for even inside the east.
Yeah, it's getting crazy.
People like say don't they worst too.
But more also forget President also achieved some landmark before he come out. The passing and the signing of the tax reform being the commissioning of agricultural equipment, tractor wey for review classmates when dem no gree follow up as Nigeria build its true identity.
Remember the statement he say want to make agriculture
sexy, you get. Before then, he also commissioned some other projects, you get. So in as much as you want the complaint of the other side, he go still tell you say he does do some work. Now why he deserve to still travel to continue to do the work wherever, whether on vacation, have been another explanation whatsoever it be. But then again, I don't know what
diplomatic engagement.
Yeah, I don't know what Nigerians think. Is it really a diplomatic engagement? You will let us know. And you know, say every explanation they come with your own different meaning.
No be small.
You get as this explanation come now. Let us know what you think.
The WhatsApp number is 0904 821 3013. The WhatsApp number again now 0904 821 3013. You think say na diplomatic engagement? Now in President go do for Saint Lucia.
At least he not go France. So welcome back. Still 89.9.
Yanga FM Lagos, the station with Sabi and yes. And welcome back to Tori We Matter. Now, in case you just tune in and you wonder, say, what would they talk about? It goes with you to know, say, we just evaluate the travel of we President Bola Tinubu. As he say, don't go Saint Lucia. And people don't they talk about and say, now not be the right time to go Saint Lucia because a lot of things they happen.
If we don't say
now waiting.
Now official work.
Yeah, now work diplomatic.
So Nigeria just get feeding it, say Baba not supposed to travel at this time. I think we don't get this problem right from the very beginning of the last administration under Buhari. Since Buhari started this traveling of after 3 months, Mia go London, relax, come back, relax, come back. And I just feel say Nigeria just they used to complaining every time, or rather raising some question every time the first citizen of the country want travel out. I don't know if you get.
Yeah.
By extension, it can just be like say this our current president see they do the same thing. So for the last 8 years plus 2 years now, for the last 10 years, the Nigerians they always complain of president they command the country. And if you notice, every time president command the country, he just get some activities when they go on. Now you see what it happen for PDP secretariat for Abuja. Then one whole meeting. Police do blockade. PDP not get choice than to relocate the board of trustee meeting now where they schedule for today because of the whole police present for the PDP secretariat. You get me? And few other arrangements go just the happen one president come out for the country. You get it's crazy, but then again. Nigeria city of the opinion Baba not supposed to travel they with us for this country even though say he don't do some certain things when supposed to make our body sweet we still want to see you
the thing be say Peter Obi still they talk he say in body no sweet at all because according to Ram for the past 2 years Nigeria don't lose more people for all plenty types of things and things when they talk about killings when they talk about criminality when they talk about robbery and right now nobody time to even do that kind of movement.
But president being around will it make any difference?
At least he go give people the moral support. Now what's in they talk? Now what's in they talk? In talk say the kind of criminality self don't even go on for inside with Nigeria. He don't even worse pass people wait for official war. And according to Ravisi talk say Nigeria rank among the most insecure places in the world. And right now Nigerians on the hungrier and most people don't know where their next food go come from. So with all this kind of thing, the person we're supposed to they give them moral support.
Not the country.
Travel.
It is well.
What shall we do?
What if we do not be able to do so?
No,
like what do you expect? What do you think? What should you think? You cannot they follow you think I'm home.
You feel like say 2027 we can get our
get your what? Your mandate. People are standing on the mandate already.
Maybe if we follow you that.
Go where? you they push me go where I don't know. This man.
No wait.
Carry your leg go back. Carry your leg go back.
Wait,
carry your leg go back.
I don't know whether I get any mandate where you want stand on.
No, not there on any mandate for now. I just do where I did, just observe everybody. But talking about Peter Obi, you see what the suggestion when he makes say come 2027, say in ambition not to only serve only one term.
And he talk say he go make Nigeria stable under 2 years.
We don't do 2 years.
Now waiting Peter Obi talk. Say if he become the president of Nigeria under 2 years, things will begin to work properly for inside Nigeria.
So he's talking about one term now. Does this not mean that agreement, when that rumor agreement, alleged agreement, when they say in get, when one person will fair confess, the coalition alleged rumor.
Now the same thing will enter my head too when I see
so
that. When I see that
they try
statement.
confirm and I said now truly be.
I no can know because say they never directly they confirm anything. They will just they pass through the corners. They talk and corner. You now you go come they break your head. They think of waiting be this thing where they talk.
But this confirmation of him contesting for 2027 presidential election. Under which party? See, Labour Party be a new. INEC last week said they don't receive 100 of new party to register them. Yeah.
And even inside that new party, we didn't talk. Say they want to register. You get what we catch people attention pass. One of them now, what they call obedience movement.
Obedience movement. Okay. Oh, that all goes. Okay.
So
okay.
That one na party.
But I don't know. I don't know. 4 years will it be enough to really carry out the change you want for the country if you be person when really want that?
I know. See, according to Ram, when he talk that 2 years, I know say something will happen under 2 years, right? But the way intake talk I don't think say it really dey realistic like that.
For him to
achieve the things when he talks say he won't achieve, the way he take talk say he go change Nigeria under 2 years.
2 years, yeah.
I don't think say they very realistic.
But then again, maybe what we need to do now to make comparative the first 2 years as governor for Anambra State and check.
No, to be governor and to be president, not a totally different ball game.
Yes, not totally because now whole country.
Yes, the whole country they
other politics of governor, yeah.
Other things they your mind where you go to think of. So not be only your state. That one, when he be governor, they only think about Anambra State and the forwardness of Anambra State. But right now, when they talk about Nigeria as a country, how many states we get inside, plus other things where they happen. My dear, I bet what you want to talk, what you no want to talk.
Anyway, but Baba said of the opinion, say the 10 days when President want go spend for Saint Lucia, say not they in support, say not make sense at all. Even go as far they compare the population of Saint Lucia to the number 10 state for Nigeria and how President never sleep other state for once since he become president.
And you know what? One other thing when he talk, we get my attention. He talk say. This travel where President they travel, it is somehow because President Sef just come out from waiting in call vacation for Lagos.
Yeah, that was about 2 months ago now.
For Lagos, when they come Lagos, say
the Salah.
Say come do vacation.
That one na the whole country do vacation now.
He saying President come do vacation for Lagos.
But since the doctor says it's not be vacation, say na
they say not be vacation. You go force them to make a vacation.
Anyway, that's a wrap. We'll go break here at this particular junction right now.
Yes.
We'll move to the next segment of the show, which is
the vacation sites. You go carry me.
I know they carry you go. Now get money to travel.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.